Good morning. So last day in Africa. Yeah, it was really exciting time, 8 weeks in Africa. Really excited, finally I can fly again. And yeah, then the third chapter, Australia, New Zealand, really excited. I stay in these two countries almost 2 months, or pretty much 2 months, so yeah. Bus was not hard to find because I went just out of the village and they were standing already and they picked me up. Now she told me I have to go out here and wait for another bus. So yeah, there are 4 different terminals, so I was looking on each terminal, and before you go in you can see which airline and which flights are going. So I was looking at all 4, but I didn't find China 1000 and the flight to Guangzhou. I don't know, almost nobody at the security check, maybe 3 or 4 guys. So it looks like that I have a quick stop in Bangkok before I go to Guangzhou. Doesn't make sense. Look, here's no smoking lavatory. Look what they have here. And here, no cigarettes. This disposal doesn't make any sense. Either this or this. Yeah, weird. What's up, guys? So I am in Australia. Yeah, so it was a long, crazy journey to Australia, and on the border. At the airport they checked all my stuff. I had to put all my stuff out of my backpack. Alright, I came in the house, then I finally a shower. I slept a little bit because I was so dead. I have to look around. What is my plan here in Australia? How many days I stay where? Good morning! So, day 2 in Australia. It's raining like yesterday the whole day. So I'm trying to find a bus to the Sky Rail. Yeah, so I want to try to find the oldest rainforest in the world. So let's go! It's raining, but whatever. So this rainforest is the oldest rainforest in the world. So it's around 120 million years old. And back in the day, whole Australia was just a rainforest. Now it's just 0.26% of the continent a rainforest anymore. So it's really tiny. Ha! I got an umbrella. It's not a long walk, but let's see. This is amazing. I was going out at the last station, but it was just tourist stuff, so nothing special. Now going back, I think it takes me a little bit more than an hour to go down. So, good morning. I've already so much stuff, so I need to send some stuff back home. Now I'm going to the post office. Let's try how much is it. Alright, so the package is away. Raining again, but I want to look in a museum, so I don't know which museum, but it's free, so let's check it out. Yo guys, so that's the end of my Cairns vlog. I hope you really liked it and really enjoyed it. And yeah, so next time Townsville in Rainbow Beach. So yeah, see you next time.